In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign PDF with DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, upload your PDF, place your signature, and save everything securely, whether you're signing alone or sending to others. Start by heading to the DocuSign website and logging into your ESignature account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a free trial and be ready in a couple of minutes. Once you're in, look for the Manage or Start tab, then choose Sign a Document. From there, upload your PDF from your computer or connect a cloud service like Google Drive or another storage provider. Give the file a quick glance to make sure it's the correct version before you move on. Next, tell DocuSign who needs to sign. If you're the only signer, check the box that says I'm the only signer. If other people need to sign too, add them as recipients with their names and email addresses. Double check that information so the document reaches the right inboxes without delay. Click Sign to open the document. On the left-hand side, you'll see your tools. Drag the signature field onto the exact spot where your signature should go. You can resize and reposition it so it lines up neatly with your signature line. If you also need to add dates, initials, or simple text, you can place those fields too so the PDF is complete and professional. If this is your first time using DocuSign, you'll be prompted to adopt a signature. Choose a preset style. Draw your signature with your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature if you prefer. Once adopted, DocuSign saves it to speed things up next time. Around this point, a quick note. You'll find the official DocuSign website link and the mobile app download links right at the top of the description, so you can get set up quickly on desktop or phone. When everything looks good, click Finish. DocuSign finalizes the document, stores a copy in your account, and you can download or email it immediately. If you included other recipients, they'll get an email to sign. Behind the scenes, DocuSign keeps a complete digital audit trail and uses strong encryption, so your document and signature remain secure. You can also sign on the go using the DocuSign mobile app, which mirrors the same steps and keeps your files synced across devices. And beyond signatures, DocuSign lets you fill in text fields, dates, and initials directly on the PDF, so you don't need separate editing tools. That's it. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.